Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and this video will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. Watch this video till the end, so read the comments, the lucky one will receive $100 to the balance of the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
We started with $100. Don't channel our indicator for today. So we see this indicator. We see by this indicator support and resistance areas and what trend is on our chart. And also the second indicator, period 14. So we see this. From maximum to minimum, we see this from certain periods. All this is multiplied by minus 100. The optimal period is often considered to be 14, and you just set up it like you want. So I think it's clear when the indicator works. There's a green and red line, overbought and oversold. The line of this indicator itself shows which direction we are going. Often we cross one line or another for a short time and soon return. Therefore, it's better to combine this indicator with several other indicators as well as with technical analysis also. And so now we can start our trading, and I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description. And we start with our first concept bar. Here we are, up for TL, and we start our technical analysis. Yeah, we see sharp growth, upper trend. So we opened up TL. We reached downtrend channel and we go into upper positions. So resistance level, yeah, we reached it soon. By the second indicator, we see upper position. This moving average, yeah, this color is also directed upward. Let's see by our chart. 4 seconds left until the end of our deal. So this deal closed in profit. The total profit was $92. Our balance is already $192. So let's move on. Here we are in the next concept bar. First, we see that we have by downtrend channel, it's some flats I see. Consolidation. Trend is, we have no trend. By downtrend channel, we are also relatively in the middle position. But still slightly at the upper limits of this indicator. We move on to support area, and by the second indicator we also to the lower position. Let's see. Yeah, great. Our deal is going into plus. Our profit is $92. Let's move on to our third concept. So let's open up and we start our technical analysis. So what we see here, we see that the last episode is going up quite well with just one small drawdown. So this drawdown resulted in the reaching of a certain level of resistance. Further, even more recent situation, let's take a closer look at the last three candles. They are green. So those of the previous candle are smaller at the bottom than at the top. So the market is growing and will grow. Yeah, we're going to overbought zone. We are in the upper limits of this indicator. Let's see, 3 seconds left until the end of our deal. Great, this deal is also closed plus $92. So what we see, our balance is $376. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find many videos about trading, and don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel also. You can find there many useful information about trading, and you can find also the videos about trading. All the links you can find in the description. And we move on to the next concept. So here we are, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. So what we see, relatively recent candlestick indicators, more precisely have shadows forming on top, which indicates a drawdown which is now happening. Thus we're aware of the collections that this drawdown is also on big decline. So we are at the lower positions. But the second indicator will also in the drawdown, and we approaching the oversold zone. Let's wait. 7 seconds left until the end of the deal. Yeah, and this deal is also closing with a plus. 92%. Those our profits. Quite nice. Let's increase our deal amount. And we move on to the next concept. Here we are, up deal, and we start our technical analysis. We see what we see. Some consolidation is also relatively present at the resistance level and the support level. Well, most likely the chart will still rise a little higher. That's why I opened a bullish position. So everything is quite simple here. But this indicator we see declining. It's ended. Ten seconds left until the end of our deal. We see a reversal. Two seconds. Yeah, great. Our profit is $430. I think it's good. Very good. And when we started at the amount, there was $100. Good result. So So we have our last concept. Let's do it 150. So here we are. And we start our technical analysis. We see that we have some consolidation. The consolidation is increasingly moving slightly within the lower boundaries. By downtrend channel, we see some flats, and drawdown we see at the moment. So by the second indicator, we also have the last type of some drawdown we see at the moment. Let's see for our chart, for our market. 14 seconds left until the end of our deal. Let's wait. Great. Plus deal, $138 our profit. So it was our last concept. Let's finish our trading session for today. Let's summarize the first. The most important thing is balance. We started with $100 and now we have $1,300. Good results. So 1 minute time frame, concepts we see, and we used the technical analysis for general analysis and 2 indicators. So settings, you can copy it, these colors, periods, you can pause and copy, and the second indicator, period of 14, minus 20, minus 80, so you can see this. I'd like to advise you once again to not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There you can find many useful information about trading. So I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.